Welcome back to Product Critique, where we cut through the clutter and spotlight the gear that truly delivers. Today, we're taking a deep dive into what we confidently call the best hunting backpack camouflage hydration pack available right now. The GENILU 22L Tactical Hydration Backpack with a 3-liter water bladder. Let's start from the top. Whether you're trekking through rugged terrain, staking out from a tree stand, or covering miles during a long hunt, the GENILU Tactical Hydration Backpack is designed to handle it all. This pack isn't just for carrying gear, it's about keeping you mobile, hydrated, and efficient. With a capacity of 22 liters, this backpack strikes the perfect balance between being spacious enough to carry your essentials, yet compact and lightweight enough to avoid bulk. You'll notice right away that it's built with durability in mind. The water-resistant 900D polyester fabric can take on heavy brush, wet weather, and rough handling without breaking a sweat. Its camo pattern blends seamlessly into natural environments, making it ideal for both forest and desert settings. Now, let's talk about one of its standout features, the integrated 3-liter hydration bladder. It comes with a high-quality, BPA-free bladder that fits snugly into a dedicated compartment, and the drinking tube is accessible and secure for quick sips without breaking stride. For those long hunts or extended outdoor missions, this is hydration without the hassle. The MAL system on this pack is excellent for modularity. If you're a hunter who likes to customize your setup, the external webbing lets you add compatible gear like pouches, knives, radios, or first aid kits. The pack features multiple compartments and pockets, including a waist pocket, to keep your gear organized. There's room for binoculars, snacks, ammo, gloves, and even an extra layer. Comfort is also key here. GENILU clearly thought this through. The shoulder straps are wide, padded, and ventilated. The breathable mesh back panel helps reduce sweat buildup, and the adjustable sternum and waist straps ensure a secure, bounce-free fit. Even after hours of wear, the load feels stable and well distributed. We've seen a lot of tactical hydration packs, but what makes the GENILU 22L pack rise above the rest is its adaptability. It's not just for hunting. It's great for hiking, cycling, trail running, or any outdoor sport where mobility and hydration are critical. That's why it's been trusted by both men and women across multiple outdoor disciplines. And one last thing, the zippers and buckles. They're YKK grade, which means they're built to last. These details matter when you're out in the wild, and reliability is everything. So, if you're looking for a rugged, hydration-ready, camouflage hunting backpack that can keep up with your pace and match your environment, the GENILU 22L Tactical Hydration Backpack should be at the top of your gear list. It's versatile, tough, and intelligently designed for those who don't want to compromise. Thanks for watching Product Critique. If this review helped you out, make sure to subscribe for more no-nonsense reviews on gear that works as hard as you do. Stay sharp, stay hydrated, and we'll see you in the next one.